Welcome to Mahabal Enviro Engineers Private Limited, your trusted partner in environmental solutions. Today, we are diving into the top environmental laws of India that safeguard our planet and our future. Let's go green, one law at a time. Environment Protection Act, 1986. This is the umbrella law. Enacted after the Bhopal disaster, it gives the central government sweeping powers to regulate all forms of pollution and protect the environment. Water, Prevention and Control of Pollution Act, 1974. India's first major environmental law. It aims to prevent and control water pollution and led to the creation of the Central and State Pollution Control Boards. Air, Prevention and Control of Pollution Act, 1981. This act tackles air pollution, especially from industries and vehicles. It allows monitoring and setting emission standards. Forest Conservation Act, 1980. A crucial law to stop deforestation. It restricts the use of forest land for non-forest purposes without central government approval. Wildlife Protection Act, 1972. From tigers to turtles, this act protects India's wild species and their habitats by regulating hunting and trade. Biological Diversity Act, 2002. This law preserves our rich biodiversity and traditional knowledge, ensuring benefits go to local communities. Plastic Waste and E-Waste Management Rules. These rules promote recycling and make producers responsible for the entire life cycle of plastic and electronic products. Hazardous Waste Management Rules. Handling toxic waste. These rules ensure it's stored, transported, and disposed of safely with strict regulations. National Green Tribunal Act, 2010. The NGT enables quick and effective disposal of environmental disputes. It's like a fast-track court for nature. Public Liability Insurance Act, 1991. This act ensures immediate relief to people affected by accidents involving hazardous substances. People before profits. India has strong environmental laws, but they only work if we enforce them and stay aware. Like, share, and follow us for more eco-friendly insights. Together, we can protect our planet.